right, I got a repair today. We are on a pretty new roof. I think this roof, the homeowner said, was less than a year old, and he called us out because his attic was hot. He said, I think he has a thermostat up there, and it was reading hotter after the roof replacement than it was prior. And he got these fans put on, so he's super concerned. Like, I've got these 2 solar powered fans. Why is my attic hot? Brandon came out here, got a thermostat up in the attic, checked it out, checked the intake, couldn't figure it out. Well, we looked up these fans. There's some off-brand, can't remember the name, but we looked up how much air they're able to move, what kind of CFM they're able to move, and it was just not enough for the square footage. This is a big roof. So here we are today, tearing off these fans. We're gonna put something else on there that is gonna do a little bit better job for them. More to come. Yeah. There you go. All right, there you go. That's the finished product. We've got 2 new attic breezes installed on this roof. This one, you can see the bracket is opened all the way up to catch as much of that south-facing sun as possible. If we walk over here, we've got this other one just got finished installing. We've got the bracket closed. The south is this way, so it's going to be at the optimal level to get as much of that sun as possible throughout the day. Much bigger unit than what we pulled off here. All steel construction, steel or aluminum fan blades. Can't remember which, you have to fact check me on it, but super robust, made in the USA. And they are moving almost, I think we did the math, almost twice as much air as the 2 units we pulled off of here. So, sharp looking fan. All right, there you go. 2 new 35-watt attic breezes. You can feel that hot air coming out of there. We've gone ahead and adjusted the bracket here so that the fan's getting as much of that south-facing sun as possible. So this one's all the way up, south's over here. This one's all the way down. So they're gonna be at the optimal level for the longest time possible. But just a much bigger fan, much more robust fan, aluminum blades, and yeah, made in the USA too. Check them out.